OpenSea founders have raised $420 billion to expand the business and introduce newer features that appeal to a wider audience. As digital art sells in tens of millions, investors and entrepreneurs must get on board. Investing in NFTs might seem linear, but many opportunities yield impressive returns. Today's video will share beginner 5 best NFTs guide investing tips. Number 5. Digital art. In the real world, art is expensive, and its appreciation and ownership are sometimes reserved for the wealthiest in society. However, in recent times, NFTs have made digital art accessible and affordable. The trading process of NFTs ensures that those who mint the correct digital art secure ownership of profitable artworks forever. Now, owning a digital artwork on a blockchain network is an excellent investment as art value increases with time. For instance, François Pinault, a French businessperson, has made over $54 billion collecting contemporary art. Similarly, if you take the opportunity to claim ownership of the best NFTs, you could make millions once the investment starts popping off. Think of Pac's single artwork titled The Merge, which sold for a whopping $91.8 million. Maybe your investment might not yield such a major return, but considering the benefits of owning art, digital art investment is an excellent opportunity. Who would have thought that real estate could become art? However, now you can conduct a home transaction on the blockchain if the documents are converted into NFTs. We will share how easier this makes the process of homeownership. Number 4. Games. Earning money for playing video games will never not be a catch. If we can play video games that well, we would probably not have a YouTube channel telling you to do it, because we would be playing to earn hard currency. NFT games have become the most engaging projects in the NFT ecosystem. Therefore, finding the right protocol and investing becomes a profitable venture for an investor. The trick is to check out the game's staking and yield pooling returns. Since many gaming enthusiasts will be enticed by higher cash-out, check out the earning quality of the NFT crypto. If you are all set, get your head in the game and start investing. Number 3. Real estate. The housing market crisis is still dire. We are experiencing something close to the cause of the 2008 to 2009 recession. There are fewer buildings than new home buyers, which is hiking prices. Even with the Federal Reserve increasing interest rate points, people are still eager to buy their new homes. This illustrates the need for property among humans. NFTs have cleverly included this concept into the domain. Thus, if you own a house and want to sell it, convert the documents into an NFT. This process secures the property and cancels out the intermediaries like financial institutions, agents, and central authorities. This investment means whoever buys your NFT owns your house. It is as simple as that. This style reduces the complication of the real-world centralized system. Moreover, you can acquire land in the metaverse. Those properties can be traded with ease, again, avoiding the intermediaries. Somehow, even in cryptocurrency and NFTs, there are intermediaries. Marketplaces oversee all NFT trading transactions. OpenSea, the world's first NFT marketplace, is valued at $13.3 billion. We will explain how you can make money investing in a marketplace shortly. Number 2. Marketing. Whenever experts have NFT explained, they tend to forget the profitability of promoting NFTs. As artists and developers work hard to create opportunities for their work, they need someone to bring new entrants to their various platforms. That is where a marketer comes in. Agencies like Viral Nation, Coinbound, and Crypto PR focus only on marketing and promoting NFT projects. Suppose you have a wide audience reach and can promote an NFT. The artist might consider signing up with you. You can make substantial money from the marketing process, depending on your arrangements. NFT marketing requires content creation, email promotion, social media posts, and sponsored ads. Think of it as you becoming an influencer for multiple NFTs. The benefits of that investment would be immense. While considering marketing, subscribe to this channel for more videos that could make you wealthy. Number 1. Marketplace. NFT Marketplace is a platform where NFTs are traded. The platforms are built on a blockchain. and their primary function is to secure transactions. If you invest in an NFT marketplace, you will make money from listing fees, auction fees, minting fees, etc. Therefore, NFT marketplaces have become one of the easiest entry points for entrepreneurs, businesses, and developers. OpenSea, the first NFT marketplace, was founded to promote and enrich artists. Our vision is to be the destination for these new open digital economies to thrive. Devin Finzer, co-founder of OpenSea. Today, both founders are worth over $2.2 billion. Of course, the more unique your platform is, the easier it might be to entice newer NFT 2022 listings. All unique marketplace platforms make money in no time. As NFT artists see a new feature, they are eager to try out the marketplace. With marketing at a marketplace, one must know the quickest ways to make money online. Our previous video discussed 5 best social media influencers' marketing strategies to make money fast 2022.